Alright guys, this is Craig with Swappy's Videos, and today we got another thing to unbox. Let's go ahead and get this going. Alright, so as you can see, this is actually going to be an Amazon package. I actually got a power supply that was sent to me for review. So, go ahead and get this opened up. My handy scissors just to start it up. Now I'm not going to do any real testing. I'm literally going to just do this as a power supply unboxing. So here we go. This is the Gamemax RGB power supply. It's a 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. I actually needed a power supply anyway for a build that I am going to be doing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. So you see it's partially modular here. So it does have to actually, you know, regular power cords, but then also some of the modular plugs. So that way, you know, some of the basic cords that I'm going to be using anyway are going to be there. And then we'll have some that I don't have to worry about. So let's go ahead and get that going. Right. So we do have, of course, the standard power cord. So we got some screws, wow, for the back of it, and a couple zip ties. Got the modular power plugs here. I gotta say, that's an ugly green, but I guess it goes with their theme. Looks like all we got left. Oh no, here we go. Here's some other stuff. So, what is this? This is a 24 to 20 pin adapter. And we got some other stuff here. Some card information, of course, information about power supply, user manual, and stuff. We got this little bag here. Oh, what is it? Oh, it looks like they're gonna send me a free gift too. So, oh, so cool. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go ahead and follow this link. Get me a mouse pad. Wow, this has a warranty card and then also a UNICEF card. That's interesting. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of the bubble wrap. This is actually really a nice thick packaging. So here's the power supply. We have eco mode here. I don't even know what that's going to do. So, power switch. Eco mode, honestly, will probably turn the RGB off. So, that's it. Just a standard power supply. So you can see we got an 8-pin connector right there. Alright, good. 24-pin connector. We got the SATA connectors on it as well. Ugly yellow and black and red colors, so I wish they would have gone with a solid color choice, kind of like these cables, but you know, it's all good. So we have the back here, we got PCI Express, so for your GPU, and then an extra two SATA ports that are over here too. So to be perfectly honest, for the computer I'm going to be building this in, I'm probably only going to need one of the cords, which is going to be just for the PCI Express. So, but yeah. So actually, it looks like eco mode is going to be for advanced speed control for optimal cooling and minimum noise, based on what the box says. So, but just like I said, a quick little unboxing of this. This is a Gamemax VP 600 RGB semi-modular power supply. Yeah, so this will be good enough for the extra build that I am doing. Still need to get a processor for that, so hence me not testing out the power supply now. But it does look like a pretty solid piece of hardware. Of course, we will see later on down the line, but for now, we have a power supply. So if you are interested, I'll put the affiliate link down in the description down below. But just a short one here for this review. My name is Craig. This is Squappy's Videos. I thank you guys for watching. Bye everyone.